Hello everyone, today I am gonna tell you about the direct pulp capping. In my previous video I have already told you about the indirect pulp capping. In this video we will see direct pulp capping. Where you do direct pulp capping? It is basically done in that tooth where you have accidentally exposed the pulp while removing this carious dentine. What you did is you are removing this carious dentine and somehow accidentally you expose this pulp. You reaches the pulp and your pulp is exposed, and that to exposure is less than 0.5 mm. In that case what you're doing is the direct pulp capping. So how can you define direct pulp capping? It is defined as a process in which the exposed vital pulp is covered with a protective dressing or base at the site of exposure in an attempt to preserve the pulp vitality. Whatever process you are doing is basically you did to protect your pulp vitality. So what are the indication for the direct pulp capping? Indication. First will be that your pulp exposure less than 0.5 mm in diameter. Hemorrhage from the site is easily controlled. Hemorrhage is easily controlled. If the exposure is due to trauma, it, it should be done within 24 hours. What you have seen, we have three indication for this direct pulp capping. What are these? That if there is a mechanical exposure when you are excavating the caries and you have accidentally exposed the pulp, then the pulpal exposure diameter should be less than 0.5 mm. Second, the hemorrhage should be easily controlled. Whatever the bleeding is coming from the pulp, it should be easily controlled. Third, if it is due to the trauma or due to the accident your pulp is exposed, then when you will do the direct pulp capping, then you have that patient should reach your dental office within the 24 hours. So these all are the indication for the direct pulp capping. What are the contraindication will be? Now these three are the contraindication. What are these? There should be no pain at night. If there is a pain, it will come under contraindication. If there is tooth mobility, then you can't do this process. if there is purulent or serious exudate, then you can't do the direct pulp capping. The process is same for this also. What you are doing here, you are removing the caries, you are controlling the hemorrhage, then what you did is you put calcium hydroxide, then followed by glass ionomer cement base, and then your restoration. If you find this video informative, please like, share and subscribe the channel. If you have any query, you can comment in the comment section, or you can reach to us through the Telegram group whose links are given in your description box. Thank you.